Hi there, I'm Tommy Baggins, and I look ridiculous. More importantly, this is an anvil. And I found out just a couple of days ago that these can be dropped on hostile mobs, or other players, or oneself, and it would do damage. Sounds like fun. As soon as I learned this, I of course became obsessed with dropping an anvil on a creeper. In that vein, let me see here. I went out and built this. Now this unsightly, ungainly, godforsaken redstone contraption is my patent pending, not really, Creeper Crusher 9001. The idea, here, built here in my chicken coop of all places. But the idea is Creeper steps on that plate right there, pressure plate, sends a signal up through here, which turns this off, which retracts the sticky piston, which pulls back the cobblestone block, which will have an anvil on it, and the anvil plunges to the ground, smacking whatever is under. Oh, and there's a creeper! Loading! Come on, do it. Oh, come on! Well, that was a letdown. God, that was a letdown. Well, okay. Not the most effective way to kill a creeper, but certainly one of the more fun. Let's go smash this creeper the old-fashioned way. There we go. Where's my anvil? Okay, I got my anvil back. Reload this thing and try again. Oh, creeper down there. Let's go get it. I make no secret of my disdain for creepers. I was blowing up my stuff, making holes in the ground. Come on. Alright, Creeper Crusher loaded, ready to go. Come on, Creeper. Yes! I dropped an anvil on a creeper. I dropped an anvil on a creeper. I haven't had this much fun in a while. Alright. Bringing out my savage side here. Anyway. Alright, that's all for now. I'm gonna go get my anvil and finish off that creeper. In the meantime, God, I really do look ridiculous. Delicious pair of boots, though. Anyway, like I was saying, in the meantime, toodles! No heck with it. Let's get that creeper. Hey, creeper. I'm gonna blow up. I'll blow up. There we go. Alright. And this time, for real, totals.